Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, my dear students. Today, I am going to teach you about Sanskrit grammar. In Sanskrit grammar, see here, there are four important things. Vachana, Lakara, Linga, Purusha. In these four parts, first I will teach you about Vachanam. What is meant by Vachanam? Vachanam means number. There are three Vachanam in Sanskrit. Trini Vachanani. Eka Vachanam, Dvi Vachanam, Bahu Vachanam. What is meant by Eka Vachanam? Eka Vachanam means singular. Dvi Vachanam means dual. Bahu Vachanam means plural. Okay? When we will use Eka Vachanam, Ramaha Pathati, Ram is reading. Govindaha Likhati, Govind is writing. For that we will use Eka Vachanam. When we will use Dvi Vachanam, Ramau Pathataha, two Ramas are reading. Ramau Likhataha, two Ramas are writing. So, if you want to use two person doing some work, then you have to use Dvi Vachanam. More than two, if more than two person doing some work, then you have to use Bahu Vachanam. Bahu Vachanam means plural. Okay, children? Then this is the first part, Vachanam. Then the second one, Lakaraha. Lakaraha means what? Tenses. In English we have three tenses: past tense, present tense and future tense, right? But in Sanskrit we have 10 tenses. In that 10 tenses, the important 5 tenses I will show you. See here. Lat Lakaraha, Lang Lakaraha, Lrit Lakaraha, Lot Lakaraha, Vidhiling Lakaraha. What is meant by Lat Lakaraha? Present tense. Lat Lakaraha means present tense. Lang Lakaraha means past tense. Lrit Lakaraha means future tense. Lot Lakaraha we will use for imperative mood. Vidhiling Lakaraha, if we want to order a person, then we have to use Vidhiling Lakaraha. You have to do, you ought to do, we say in English, right? Likewise in Sanskrit, we have to use Vidhiling Lakaraha. Pathet. Pathet means what? You ought to read. Okay? Then, see here children. The third one, Linga Vibhagaha. Linga means what? Gender. There are three genders in Sanskrit. Pumlingaha, Strilingaha, Napumsakalingaha. Pumlingaha means masculine gender. Strilingaha means feminine gender. Napumsakalingaha means neuter gender. Okay, children? Then the last topic, the fourth one. Prathama Purushaha, Madhyama Purushaha, Uttama Purushaha. What is meant by Prathama Purushaha? Prathama Purushaha means third person. Then Madhyama Purushaha, second person. Uttama Purushaha, first person. Okay, children. So, today we are going to see 4 topics. Vachana Vibhagaha, Lakaraha, Linga Vibhagaha, Purusha Vibhagaha. Okay, children. Now I will show you some examples. See here. First, Shabdaha. In this Shabdaha, I will teach you about Linga Vibhagaha. What are the different genders? I will give some examples. Already I told you there are three genders: Pumlingaha, Strilingaha, Napumsakalingaha. Pumlingaha means masculine gender, Strilingaha means feminine gender, Napumsakalingaha means neuter gender, right? See here. First, Shabdaha. Shabdaha means noun, subject, noun. First, they have given Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. Which gender this Shabda belongs to? Pumlingaha, masculine gender. How can we identify that? If a word ends with this visarga, then it belongs to Pumlingaha. Ramaha, Krishnaha, Govindaha, Mukundaha, Madhavaha, Gopalaha. All these Shabdas belongs to masculine gender. See here. Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. Then I will give you one example for feminine gender. Here the example. Lata, Late, Lataha. This Shabda Lata belongs to Strilingaha, feminine gender. How can we identify this belongs to Strilingaha? If a word ends with A, E, U pronunciations, then that word belongs to feminine gender. See here. Lata, Sita, Parvati, Gauri, all these words belongs to feminine gender. Lata, Late, Lataha. Then the third example. Griham, Grihe, Grihani. Griham means what? House, right? It belongs to Napumsakalingaha. Why? Because the word ends with yam pronunciation. Dhanam, Vanam, Pushpam, Phalam, Griham, Netram, Nayanam. All these words belongs to Napumsakalingaha. See here. Griham, Grihe, Grihani. Okay, children. So, Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha belongs to Pumlingaha. Lata, Late, Lataha belongs to Strilingaha. Then Griham, Grihe, Grihani belongs to Napumsakalingaha. Okay, children? Okay? Now, these two, Saha Taute, Sate, Taha, Tatite, Tani. This one and this one, Ayam, Imau, Ime, Iyam, Ime, Imaha, Idam, Ime, Imani. These two Shabdas belongs to Sarvanama Shabdaha. Pronoun Shabdas. Okay, Sarvanama Shabdaha. I will write here. Sarva Nama Shabdaha. In that, Saha Taute belongs to Pumlingaha. Sate Taha belongs to Strilingaha. Then Tatite Tani belongs to Napumsakalingaha. Saha Taute, what is the meaning? Saha means he or that. Tau means they too, they all. Sa means she, they too, taha, they all. Tat means that, te means they too, tani, they all. Okay, children. Likewise, ayam, imau, ime, this belongs to Pumlingaha. Iyam, ime, imaha, this belongs to Strilingaha. Then idam, ime, imani belongs to Napumsakalingaha. Okay, children. Then, see here. Bhavan, bhavantau, bhavantaha, bhavati, bhavatyau, bhavatyaha. Bhavan, bhavantau, bhavantaha, this belongs to Pumlinga Shabdaha. Bhavati, bhavatyau, bhavatyaha belongs to Strilinga Shabdaha. What is the meaning for Bhavan? Bhavan means you. Bhavantau means you too. Bhavantaha means you all, but in masculine gender. I want to ask, who are you? Who are you? Then I should ask, Bhavan kaha? If you are a male, if you are a boy, okay? If you are a female, then how will I ask you? Bhavati ka. If you are a male, I should ask Bhavan kaha. If you are a female, I should ask Bhavati ka. Okay, children? But both the shabdas, Bhavan and Bhavati, belongs to you only. But according to the gender whom you are speaking with, it differs. Okay, children? Bhavan, Bhavantau, Bhavantaha. Bhavan, you. Bhavantau, you both. Bhavantaha, you all. Then Bhavati, the same, you. But where is the difference? Feminine gender. Bhavatyau, Bhavatyaha. Okay, children? I will show you some more examples. See here. Tvam yuvam yuyam aham avam vayam. See here, children. Tvam yuvam yuyam aham avam vayam. Tvam yuvam yuyam means you, you two, you all. Okay, children? But it is common to all the gender. Trishulingeshu samana rupaha, we say in Sanskrit. Okay, children? See here. Tvam means you, yuvam, you two, yuyam, you all. This shabda we say as yushmat shabda, telling about yourself. Okay? Then here, aham avam vayam. Aham avam vayam belongs to all the three genders. Okay? I. If I am saying I am Rama, then how should I say aham Ramaha? Aham Ramaha. If a girl tells about herself, she is saying I am Sita, then how she will say aham Sita. So this aham, avam, vayam will not change according to the gender. It is a common shabda. Okay, children? Then I will teach you this topic. It is very easy but interesting. See here. Dhatuhu kriya. Dhatuhu means what? Verb. Okay? See here. Ti taha inti. Si thaha th. Ami avaha amaha. What is this? This is a formula. Okay, children? You take any dhatu. I am taking pat. Pat means to read. See here. Pat dhatuhu. Pat. Then see here. You have to add a. Ati. Ataha. Anti. Then you add this pat dhatuhu with this one. See here. Pat. Pat plus ati is equal to patati. Then patataha. See here. Pat plus ataha is equal to patataha. Likewise, patanti. Pat plus anti is equal to patanti. Okay, children? Likewise, pathasi, pathataha, pathata. Then pat plus ami, pathami, pat plus avaha, pathavaha, pat plus amaha, pathamaha. Pathati, patataha, patanti, pathasi, pathataha, pathata, pathami, pathavaha, pathamaha. If you know this formula clearly, then you can compile some more dhatus, which is this. Pat dhatuhu, likh dhatuhu, dhav dhatuhu, khad dhatuhu. Okay, children? All these belongs to lat lakaraha. Lat lakaraha means present tense. Okay, children. See here. Now, vachanam. What is meant by vachanam? Already I told you, vachanam means number. How many vachanam are there? There are trini vachanani. There are three numbers in Sanskrit. Ekavachanam, dvivachanam and bahuvachanam. Vachanam will not change according to the dhatus or shabdas. For dhatus and shabdas, vachanam will remain the same. Okay? In shabda, how many vachanam? Ekavachanam, dvivachanam and bahuvachanam. Will it change for dhatu? No. In dhatu also, we have trini vachanani. Ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam. I will show you one example. See here. Vachanam. Ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam. Shabdaha cha, dhatuhu cha. That means what? For shabda and for dhatu. See here. Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. Okay? Then I will write some dhatus here. Gacchati, Gacchataha, Gacchanti. Okay, chale. So for shabda and dhatu, the vachanam will remain the same. Okay, chale. Then the next one. See here. Here they have given Ramaha griham gacchanti. You have to correct this sentence. Ramaha belongs to ekavachanam. So the dhatu will also be ekavachanam. So Ramaha griham gacchati. Ramaha griham gacchanti. Is this the correct sentence? Yes, it is correct because Ramaha, the noun is in plural. Likewise, the dhatuhu, kriya padam, also in plural. Okay, children. Now see here. Ramaha, they have given the answers. Ramaha griham gacchati. Ramaha griham gacchanti. They have given some more examples. See here. Ramaha grihe khadasi they have given. Khadasi, will it come? No. Ramaha grihe khadati. This will not come. This will come. Khadati. They have given here. Uttaram means answers. Answer. Balakaha udyanati kridataha. Balakaha udyanati kridati. Okay, children. Actually, here they have given udyanati, but it should be udyane, not udyanat. Then Krishnaha vidyalayam gacchami. Is this the right sentence? No. Krishnaha vidyalayam gacchati. This is the correct one. Rama Ramayanam Pathavaha they have given. Is this right? No, it's wrong. The correct one is Rama Ramayanam Pathati. Okay, because Rama belongs to singular. But here they have given plural. It won't come, right? Then the last example. Gayikaha Geetani Gayanti. Gayanti belongs to plural. So what will come here? Gayikaha. Otherwise, you have to change, according to the Gayikaha, you have to change this one, Gayati. See here, Gayati is the right one, Gayanti is the wrong one. Okay, children? Actually, we have some more examples. I will teach you the examples in the next session. Thank you, children. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.